Let's talk cars. Specifically, let's talk about something often overlooked in the sometimes confusing world of car upkeep and maintenance, where safety should always be the central point. Today, we're tackling a surprisingly common yet frequently missed mistake that could be impacting your car's performance and even your safety. Are your tires mounted the right way? Now, you might be thinking, a tire's a tire, right? As long as it's on the car, it's fine. Well, not exactly. We're talking about directional tires, a type of tire specifically designed to rotate in one particular direction. And if they're not, you could be in for a bumpy and potentially dangerous ride. So, what makes a directional tire different? Unlike non-directional tires, these have a unique tread pattern optimized to work best when spinning in a specific direction. Think of it like an arrow on the tire's sidewall pointing forward. This design is crucial for several reasons, especially when it comes to keeping you safe on the road, particularly in wet or snowy conditions. The grooves are designed to channel water away from the tire, preventing hydroplaning and ensuring maximum grip. When a directional tire is mounted incorrectly, meaning it's rotating in the opposite direction it was designed for, it simply won't perform as intended. The seemingly small error can lead to a cascade of problems. Reduced performance. Your car's traction, especially in the rain, will be compromised. The water channeling design of the tread works against itself, increasing your risk of hydroplaning. Increased wear. You might notice your tires wearing out faster or unevenly. The tread is optimized for specific forces, and reversing that can lead to premature wear and tear. Compromised handling. Your car might not feel as stable or handle as well, particularly when cornering. Directional tires are designed to enhance stability, and incorrect mounting undoes those benefits. Noise and vibration. Get ready for a noisier, bumpier ride. The tread pattern and how it interacts with the road are optimized for one direction, and reversing that can lead to increased road noise and vibrations. Safety concerns. Ultimately, all these issues boil down to one major concern: safety. Reduced traction, especially in adverse conditions like rain or snow, significantly increases your risk of an accident. The good news is, checking your tires for correct mounting is incredibly easy, even if you're not a mechanic. Most directional tires have a clear arrow on the sidewall indicating the correct direction of rotation. Simply look for this arrow on each of your tires and make sure it's pointing forward, in the direction your car travels. If you notice any of your directional tires are mounted incorrectly, it's crucial to have them remounted by a professional as soon as possible. It's a simple fix that can make a huge difference in your car's performance and, more importantly, your safety on the road. So, take a few minutes today to check your tires. It's a quick inspection that could save you from a lot of headaches down the road. That's all for today. Drive safe, and we'll catch you in the next episode with another important topic. Bye for now.